Good afternoon and welcome to the St Patrick's College 2020 Awards Assembly. In particular, I would like to acknowledge Mr Stephen Hill, our Acting Principal, Mrs Elizabeth Ryan, our Deputy Principal, Mrs Julia Petrov, our Director of Teaching and Learning, Mr Hamish McCrum, Director of Senior School, and Mr Michael Silcock, our Director of Boarding and Acting Director of Students. We now move to the presentation of 2020 College Major Awards. And I would like to invite Mrs Julia Petrov, Director, Teacher of Learning, to the stage to preside over this part of the Assembly. Please welcome Miss Petrov.
Thank you, Will. Welcome, everyone. It is with a very great pleasure that I will announce the St Patrick's College Awards for 2020. Our first award recognises the college captain for his leadership of the college community, and so the Principal's Award for Leadership goes to William Rothy for his fine role as college captain this year. Well done, Will.
Congratulations, Will.
Presented for all-round excellence, character, leadership, participation, academic pursuits and culture or sports, this year's Howard Award for Excellence goes to Max Waller. Recognising a senior student who has displayed and developed school spirit among the students through his dedication and general service to the college, the winner of the Little Family Award for School Spirit is Finn Lappin.
Congratulations, Finn.
A student who has embodied the spirit of Edmund Rice through his involvement in justice, action, and reflective practice within the college, the community and the Edmund Rice Network is recognised through the Edmund Rice Award for Ministry, and this year's award recipient is Bailey McCabe.
Congratulations, Bailey.
The George Devine Trelaw Award for Community Service is granted to a student deemed to have acted in the greater good on a significant philanthropic community project in the school year. Congratulations goes to Bailey McCabe for also winning this award. Recognising a student who has embodied the ethos of St Vincent de Paul through his involvement in service to his local community, the St Vincent de Paul Award recipient for 2020 is William Van Ees. The ADF Longtan Leadership and Teamwork Award encourages and recognises a student who has demonstrated determination, mateship, teamwork, tenacity, compassion and leadership. This year's award winner is Jack Sampi. The Australian Defence Force Future Innovators Award recognises the recipient's significant abilities in science and mathematics. The 2020 winner of this award is Thomas Barry.
It's my privilege to announce the next few awards. Recognising a hard-working and conscientious student who has shown an overall endeavour to pursue excellence in all areas of his school life and who wishes to continue to do the same in the future. The Dorothy Irene Alice Thomas Scholarship nomination this year goes to Kai O'Keefe. Congratulations, Kai. The nomination for the University of Melbourne's Principal Scholarship is awarded to a student in recognition of their excellent academic achievement and contribution to their school or wider community. Again, congratulations to Kai O'Keefe for attaining this scholarship. The St Vincent de Paul Tertiary Education Sponsorship recognises the difficulty students from regional schools face in leaving home to study and begin a career. Well done to Jake Leahy, who has won this year's award.
Recognising a student who demonstrates consistent participation and commendable sporting behaviour in line with the Olympic ideals of participation, this year's Australian Olympic Changemaker Award is Elijah Cross. The Chris Nolan distinction recognises the outstanding academic achievement of students who have received a Chris Nolan Award in each semester of their 6 years at St Patrick's College. A Chris Nolan Award is presented to students who, based on their end of semester results across all subjects, finish in the top 15% of their year level. This year's recipients are Darcy Cosgrove, Nathan Del Vescovo, Finn Lappin, and Jordan Loughton.
Gives me great pleasure to have the responsibility of announcing the In Civitatem Award for this year. This award recognises a boarding student who has selflessly given for the greater good to all living within our boarding community. The In Civitatem Award this year goes to Benedict Howard.
Each year we acknowledge a senior student who has displayed an outstanding attitude towards and has made a significant contribution to academic, sporting and social justice activities. And this year, receiving the Brother Galvin Award is Will Gilbert. And the Brother Canary Award goes to Jack Sampy. The Brother Ryan House Award goes to Angus Trewick. And our final award goes to for the Brother Noonan Award goes to Elijah Cross. Please join with me in acknowledging these boys for their outstanding efforts throughout the year.